Hey, are looking for trusted experts to repair your damaged iMac? Get the best support and quality services from iTech Xpress in Covina. It is a recognized full-service repair store that have been serving customers for years. You can get a complete diagnostic services to address the problems of your device. Also, guaranteed services and parts to repair it flawlessly within the shortest time. They deliver services including computer upgrades, replacement of drives such as SSD, hard drives and multi-system drives, etc. The experts specialized in high-caliber repair, data recovery, and software installation. To prevent malware issues, you can count on their comprehensive security services. They have impressive stock of spare parts for DIY iMac repairs that help to start the process faster and deliver the device sooner. If you want to fix your broken iMac fast, call the experts at 626-777-4747. Willing to know more first, visit iTechXpressing.com.